An overview of anti-trespasser. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Security systems nowadays still have limited authentication capabilities and are generic. Such security measures are valid for their intended use. It might be conceivable to overcome obstacles given the advancement of technology and the rise of malicious individuals. The security of one's important data is the first priority. This project suggests a security technique to raise everyone's level of security. The application makes an effort to use a user's presence as a key to open a virtual space. The system needs a mobile device with Bluetooth capabilities, along with the main device you need to secure. The project's goal is to closely tie the operating system's security mechanisms so that it can take the necessary precautions to protect data privacy. In today's digital world, protecting personal data and securing access to devices and networks is more important than ever. Servers and cloud computers can control vast amounts of private information, and if not properly protected, this data can be exposed to unauthorized users. Traditional security methods, such as passwords and firewalls, are still widely used, but they can be bypassed or forgotten. This project introduces a new idea for improving digital and physical security, using a person's presence, detected through their mobile device's Bluetooth, as a key to access certain areas or devices. The proposed system, called anti-trespasser, works by pairing a mobile phone with the device that needs to be secured. When the paired phone is nearby, the system recognizes the user and grants access. If the phone is not present, access is denied. This approach adds a new layer of protection because it relies on physical proximity, which is harder to fake than a password. It can be used to secure sensitive data, limit access to certain apps, or even lock down physical spaces like offices or server rooms. The system is designed to work closely with the operating system of the main device, allowing it to take protective actions like locking the screen or restricting functions when the authorized person is not nearby. By using Bluetooth, which is commonly available on modern phones, this system aims to create a safer and more personal way to protect important information and resources in both virtual and physical environments. Optimization of application is the primary concern. Anti-trespasser creates MANET via Bluetooth functionality which renders filtering of active devices. Once the application preferences are set, for example option of logging off or folder locking, it takes a while to scan for device and take suitable action. This speed of taking action requires a countdown for activating the functionality. This countdown can be neglected in future to activate result. This makes application quicker and better. Implementation of such project can also be accomplished through Wi-Fi hotspots which perhaps can result in more contemporary design. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.